Hello everyone, welcome to your first English lesson. My name is Michael and today we are studying Unit 1A. This lesson is for total beginners, so welcome aboard and let's start. In part 1, we are going to focus on listening and speaking. You will listen to the English sounds and then you will practice speaking with me. Let's move to the next slide. Look with me at this screen. How do we say hello in English? We can say hi or hello. Repeat please after me. Hi, hi, hello, hello. Excellent. We use hi with friends and we use hello with everyone. Now look at this green box. When you meet someone for the first time, you can say, "Nice to meet you." Let's try it together. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Now, look at our friends on the screen, please. Let's ask them a question. What's your name? What's your name? Let's listen to their answers. Look at the photos, please, with me. The first person, she says, "I'm Molly. I'm Molly." He says, "I'm Henry. I'm Henry." She says, "I'm Linda. I'm Linda." And he says, "I'm Rob. I'm Rob." Excellent. So, what's your name? Practice saying your name right now. Okay, now let's read and listen to this conversation at the school reception. Follow my mouse, please. The receptionist asks, "Hello, what's your name?" Tom answers, "Tom King." And then the receptionist asks, "Are you Tom Banks?" Tom says, "No, I'm not. I'm Tom King." And then the receptionist answers, "You're in room 2. And finally, Tom says, "Okay, thank you." Okay, beautiful. Did you see how they use and you're here? In this example, Tom said, "I'm not. I'm Tom King." And this one, the receptionist said, "You're in room 2. Welcome to part 2. In this section, we are going to learn some grammar and vocabulary. It's very easy and very simple for beginners, so please do not worry. Okay, everyone, let's look at this grammar short. When I talk about myself, I say I am. I am. I am. The short form in conversational speaking is I am. I am. For example, I am Henry. I am Henry. When I talk to you, I say you are. You are. The short form is you. You. For example, you're in room 2. Repeat the short forms after me. I. I. You. You. Wonderful. Okay, everyone. How do we ask a question? Look at the screen, please. We just change the word order here in this chart. We changed the word order. The sentence is you are Tom. The question becomes are you Tom? We just put are at the beginning and you became in the middle. To answer this question, you can say, yes, I am, or no, I am not. Very easy, right? Okay, let's practice some vocabulary together. Let's count together from 0 to 10. Okay, are you ready? Look at the numbers, please. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it one more time, but a little bit faster. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Okay, let's have some time talk about word stress. Generally, in English words, you will always find one part in the word is louder and stronger. For example, please look at the first word on left, this one, and try to repeat after me, please. Hello, hello, hello. You see? The second part is the strong one. Hello, hello. Okay, now look at the second word on the right, please. This one. Can you try with me, please? Welcome, welcome, welcome. And in this word, the first part is the strong one. It's the strong part. Listen again. Welcome, welcome. Excellent. Okay, fantastic job today. You finished your very first lesson. For your homework, please write your name in the comments below. You will have to use this phrase. Hello, I am your name. Okay, hello, I am your name in the comments. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to my channel to watch more lessons in the future. See you in the next video and bye bye.